Hours. Winter storm warning in effect until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. 1. Snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 8 inches. Where? Portions of east central Ohio, southwest and western Pennsylvania, and northern West Virginia. When? Until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Please report snow or ice accumulations by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using X at NWS Pittsburgh.